Hi everybody, and it's Joseph, and welcome back to another video on Tailored Style. Today I have my beautiful mother with me, Brenda. Say hi, mommy.
Hi everybody.
And we are taking her back to blonde. She used to be dark. I'll throw up a picture of what she looked like before. But we have already done one color remover, and now this is what she is left with. I'm about to cut her up. Well, not cut her up, but like cut her hair up first, and then we're gonna go ahead and bleach her out. And I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. Are you excited, Mom?
I am. I'm very excited.
This is in anticipation of her 60th birthday.
Yes. Yes, it is.
All right. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, we are on our, you can keep talking.
Okay.
You're fine.
I did that
we're on, I don't know what time it is. It's like 4 o'clock now. So we've been doing my mother's hair. And so we did the color remover, then I trimmed her. And then we went through and I put a darker color around her perimeter area. So kind of like, it's like right around there, and then the very top part, we had to go through and bleach out all the parts that were already like orange where we color lifted, not touching her natural root just because that was gonna lift faster. Get all that lighter, take all those foils out, go back, reapply the bleach on her natural root now, and letting that process with our handy dandy light processor. And so that's what she's doing now. She's been incubating for probably like an hour or two, if not more. And then I'm testing out all this new stuff from K18, their biometric hair science. So this mist is supposed to be like a difference between that and Olaplex is it's actually supposed to repair a hair molecule or a damaged molecule, and Olaplex is supposed to multiply your hair molecules. So we'll see, because that one's literally claiming that it can repair dead hair. If it's already dead, no, it can't be repaired. It can make it feel better, but it's not going to completely repair a whole hair strand and the sulfide bond and all that stuff like that. But I have tried it on a few people, and I will say I'm very impressed by the strength that the hair has after I bleach it, because I put people through the test, clearly, and it does well. So we shall see. I've been testing all that out, so we're going to let mommy process a little bit longer, and then we're going to go ahead and rinse her out, and then we're going to tone her. And yeah, so we tried that today. What else did we try? I think that's about it. But yeah, so this is our process. This is where she's getting all that done. Are you having fun, Mother?
I'm having lots of fun.
Good.
I'm excited about the process, the final outcome. We're almost there.
Mm-hmm. She's gonna be white, see-through.
Gonna look fabulous.
Level 19. No pigment left.
Oh, boy.
Mm-hmm. No hair left. Bald. That's
Joseph. The world.
That's what we're shooting for.
I'll believe it, Joseph.
You'll be okay, Mommy. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Are you ready to see the finished product? Mom has just got done. I just finished styling her. I'm about to show you, so give me one. And there she is. What do you think, Mom?
I love it. I
love
absolutely love it. It's so pretty.
It's so pretty. She's back to blonde, and I'm so happy on it. She got her hair done, and now she's ready for her 60th birthday.
Yes, I am.
Which is next month.
Yes, it is.
In April. Are you excited?
I am. I'm so grateful and thankful for 60 years.
Yes, 60 years, and you look
And
beautiful.
more.
Yes,
Thank
and many
you.
more.
And many
That's
more.
what we're going for. Many more.
Yes. I love you too, son, so much.
I'm glad you like your hair.
Thank you so much.
Until the next time, guys, I'll see you guys. Bye.
Bye.